how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So as you already know, today I'm opening my Sips by box. If you're unfamiliar with this box and didn't see my last unboxing, this is a personalized tea subscription and I really enjoyed my last box. I am definitely more of a coffee drinker than a tea drinker, but I'm getting into teas lately and I'm liking it. So when you subscribe to this, you can fill out like a bunch of questions, but it's not like strenuous or anything. It's like pretty simple to do, but they get a really good feel of what you like. So I told them I like mostly caffeinated teas and stuff like that, and like you pick what flavors you like or are open to trying. I said I was open to pretty much everything. One thing I said is like I prefer caffeinated, but you can give them all these things if you have any like preferences or picky or anything like that. They can totally personalize it to your liking. So I'm really excited to see what they got me this month because I really enjoyed last month's box. So I will leave the link down in the description box like I always do, but I will also leave a promo code. So I have a $5 off code you can use. So if you're interested after watching this, definitely use that, save some money. But before we get unboxing, I just want to remind you all that I do have my 4,000 subscriber giveaway currently going on. That ends May 8th, so pretty soon. So if you have not yet entered, definitely check out my giveaway video, and I'll tell you how to enter and show you all the prizes. Super easy. Pretty much just have to be a subscriber, like that video and comment. But yeah, it's just a big thank you to all of you for all your love and support. And thank you again. I love you guys so much. But anyways, let's get unboxing. Okay, before we get started, can I just say how cute this box is? As you all know, I get a lot of subscription boxes, like a lot. And this is one of the cutest actual packages. Like, it's just so cute. So there's like little hearts and tea leaves on it. It's so cute to see in the mailbox. It gets me excited. But anyways, just had to say that. But anyways, when I open it up, this is what I see. So it says May Teas. So the card in here, so cute as well. Also has like the heart and tea leaves. And then on the other side, it says Made for Kitty. It's totally personalized. I love it. So it says, April showers bring May flowers, Kitty. Rather than giving flowers this year though, we've included a special offer so that you can gift mom the joy of tea discovery. Use the included card for a ready to give gift. Remember to share your pic of your box on Instagram to enter to win a free month. Awesome. And then for each of them, it talks about the tea. It tells you like how much caffeine is in them, like how long to steep it, what temperature, even though I just pretty much use boiling water. And then also if you really like the teas, they have little coupons for each of them, which is super awesome. So you always get 4 different teas and you get about like 4 of each. So that's super awesome. You get a lot. So underneath it, this is what I see. So I will start with this. This is cool. So this is Sips by reusable muslin cloth tea bag disposable bags inside. So if they give you any loose leaf teas and you don't have one of those little sifter or whatever the hell they're called at home, you can use these reusable tea bags. So that is super awesome. And I love that they do that because not everyone has that stuff. I happen to have some stuff like that, but I probably will still use these because it's so convenient. So there must be some loose leaf tea, so let me find it. Okay, this definitely is it, and I'm super excited because I love matcha. This is vanilla matcha, creamy and refreshing. So awesome. So this is definitely a loose. This must be what it is for. This is pretty big. This is by David's Tea. So it says this has medium caffeine, tells you how to whisk it, how many spoons to use. Let's read this piece of paper to get a more clear idea. So like I said, this is a vanilla matcha, Sips by David Tea. And you need 2 to 3 teaspoons per 8 ounces of water. It says 185 degrees Fahrenheit. This is made with coconut nectar, matcha green tea, and natural vanilla flavoring. And like I said, it has medium caffeine. It says this blend of vanilla, matcha, and coconut nectar is the easiest way to get your matcha fix. Start your day with a vanilla matcha latte and a green smoothie or next level oatmeal. Oh man, that's such a good idea to add this to a smoothie. Cool. So this says you can get 20% off if I enjoy this, so that is awesome. So again, this is what it looks like, and this is a pretty good size, so this is awesome. I have another loose one. This is by the Faba Tea Company. This is chocolate macaroon caffeinated black tea. That sounds so good. Or macaron, sorry. I always mispronounce macaron and say macaroon just because those two cookie names are so similar. So this loose leaf tea is blended with black tea, broken cocoa bits, white chocolate chips, cocoa peel, chocolate chips, and flavor. Yum! So this is the packaging, and you can actually see the loose tea in the back, so that is cool. Let's read about it on this piece of paper. So chocolate macaron sipped by fava tea. Use 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water. Steep for 4 minutes at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. It says this has high caffeine. Yes, I'm all about the caffeine. It says this blend is sure to captivate you with its smooth, creamy, slightly sweet, chocolatey smell. Like a fresh made chocolate pastry, it smells and tastes like dessert in a cup. I love this because I'm trying to lose some weight and be healthier and all of that. And if this tea is like has a chocolate flavor and everything like that, like this could be my dessert and I can get my caffeine fix. Like this could be super helpful, so I'm super pumped. Next up I see 4 tea packets by Ahmad Tea, London. This is black tea, it's black currant burst. This is what the packaging looks like. And on the back it says a blend of quality black teas simply bursting with the fresh taste of black currant. Let the sweet taste and rich aroma take you back to fondly remembered summer picnics. Cute. And then, let's see, where is it on here? So it says 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, steep for 3 to 5 minutes and 212 degrees Fahrenheit, high caffeine level, yes. Ahmad Tea is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. Enjoy hot or iced with a slice of melon. Awesome. There's another 20% off code for this one, and I forgot to say the chocolate macaron one, there is a 10% off code, so cool. And then there is the last tea selection. Oh, this packaging is so cute. This Kenyan black tea by Ajri. I don't know how to say that. Oh, and awesome. On the back it says 100% of profits support orphan education in Kenya. Small-scale Kenyan tea farmers handpick only the top 2 leaves and a bud, bringing you a pure and strong cup filled with the promise of education. That is awesome, and I seriously can't get over how cute this packaging is. So this Kenyan black tea by Ajiri, A-J-I-R-I, Ajiri tea. You use 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, steep 3 to 5 minutes and 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And this also has high caffeine. Wow, I scored this one. Robust and smooth black tea that helps you take on the day and gives you an afternoon lift. 100% of the profits support orphan education in Kenya. And there is a 15% off code if I feel like purchasing this after trying it. So that is awesome. And then, like they said, there's a coupon code or something here. Let's see. It says, give the gift of tea discovery $10 in tea cash. Awesome. So I can just give this to someone. So if anyone is interested, you guys can have my code. Just let me know. And then there's also in here something for a wine from Bright Cellars. I've heard of them. They always have giveaways and stuff, or like work with other companies for giveaways. But it says, a good day starts with tea and ends with wine. I like that. This is a $50 gift card for Bright Cellars, so that's cool. You know, I love wine. So I thought this is a great month. I think it might even be like better than last month. Last month I got 1 tea that didn't have caffeine in it, which is fine because I do like tea at night sometimes, especially at nights when I'm not drinking wine. But I think this is great. I'm probably the most excited for this matcha. I'm like obsessed with matcha. Like I just think it tastes really good and it has so many health benefits, so that is awesome. And it says vanilla matcha, creamy and refreshing. So again, this might satisfy my sweet tooth too, like during my diet and stuff. So the other one, that like chocolate macaron one, that sounds really good too, the loose tea. I'm really excited to use their like muslin cloth reusable packets or reusable disposable tea bags. That is super convenient. I'm so glad they provide those. And then everything is just so good. I'm so excited. This is a lot. This will last a majority of the month since I don't drink tea every single day, but I am enjoying it more. So yeah, what do you guys think? And if you're interested in any of these codes or anything like that, I think I gave someone last month. Hopefully it worked for you if you're watching this. But yeah, let me know. so you can purchase them on their websites. So I will, like I said, I will leave the website down below along with the $5 coupon code. So if you're interested, definitely check that out. And do not forget to enter my giveaway that ends on May 8th at midnight. Can't remember if I mentioned this, but it is open international, so I want to include all of my lovely subscribers. I love you guys so much. And there is a dog barking outside, so I think that is my cue to go. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.